Hello guys, and welcome to this virtual series of how to create a blog website for free without hiring a developer, like you, without background of web development, without background of web design, without background of tech. This step I'm going to teach you is going to put you through on how you can create a blog website without simply by yourself, even with your mobile phone, without hiring a web developer. So are you a business owner? Are you a blogger? Are you a brand influencer? Are you, whatever you do, what kind of business you do, definitely most people need a website to actually get trust from their clients. Sometimes your clients want to see your website and then try to see what you have. These are the things that enhances business trust, and then some kind of give your business, attach a sense of integrity to your business. And more so, for bloggers, most bloggers spend a lot trying to create a perfect website or trying to pay a developer to give them a blog, a simple blog, for their blog post and all. This class is going to actually put you through simple way, very simple way, how you can just create a perfect website for your blog, for your business, and whatever you do to add brand trust to whatever you do. So what are you supposed to learn from this video? You're supposed to learn, one, how to use we're going to be using in this video, we're going to be using WordPress to design a website. There are three major ways you can actually use to design a website. Either a blog website rather. Either you use the Blogger site, the one owned by Google, or you use WordPress. Within there are still other platforms like we have so many other platforms, but the most popular ones are Blogger, WordPress, and then you build from scratch as a coder. So I wouldn't want to exhaust you guys on the nitty-gritty of trying to program and all. That's all going to be so bulky and all. So what I'm going to put up together in this class, easy way to use Blogger to create a blog website for your business or your blog. So I'm going to be sharing free templates to you guys. I'll be sharing free templates, also be giving out my ebook for the most active students in this class as well. And also I'll be buying a domain, a business domain, for at least one student, most active student in the class. What a domain is, is what gives you ownership of a particular host, like of a particular terrain, web terrain. You get right? So if you're not have your domain customized, your website will probably be around www.chikablog.wordpress.com. You understand? You don't own it yet, but if you buy the domain, it means your website URL will be like www.chikablog.com. It means it's personalized and makes you look professional and respected by your client and then other persons patronizing your business. So I'm going to be teaching you what a blog is, and then also how to create the blog, how to integrate templates in your blog, and also customization of your blog. This is basically what I'll be teaching you in this web series. So subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified each time I drop a content, and then also hit the like button so many persons will see this video. Now let's get started to the main business. Alright guys, welcome to this virtual series on how to create a blog website without hiring a developer. So with this, as a novice, you'll be able to learn perfectly how to create a blog without hiring a developer or without the assistance of a full-time web developer. So basically, I'm doing this with my mobile phone, so it will make you know that you necessarily don't need a laptop for you to get done with this. right? So let's go. First of all, you log on to visit www.blogger.com. Then you load. Now you see create your blog. Then you click create blog. Once you click, if you already have an email address there, or you use another email address, but I'll be using this one of the email address on my phone. But if you don't have it, to ask you to use email address, then you click the email address and the password of the email address, then you sign in. Then you sign in. Then this is you have signed in already on Blogger. Once you sign in, you create what do you want to title, what's the name of your blog, what's the name of the website, what do you want to title it. Let's call it free let's call it free web series. That's the name of this blog, free web series. Then next, now what do you want your domain to be? Now I spoke about domain earlier in the intro of this video. So this is it. It's whatever your website is, www.freewebseries.blogspot.com. Now the domain is still under Google still owns that domain until you purchase your domain. In a different class, I'm going to teach you how to simply purchase a domain using GoDaddy or Namecheap or True Digits, or there are many other hosting companies that actually sell domain. So if you want to purchase a domain and they remove it from being blogspot.com to webseries, www.webseries.com, freewebseries.com. So it's paid for some type, but less than, it depends. It could be $20, it could be $15, it could be $10. Yeah, so basically your blog is ready, then you proceed whatever you want to name your URL, your site, your blog, whatever I want to rename it. So we started by saying it's free web series, right? So let's call it free web series. Let's see if it's available. Free web series blog. Yeah, free web series blog is available. Then we move to next. Display name. What would you want it to be displaying on the front end of the page, like on the front of the site? Free web series, right? So finish. Now our blog is ready. Now let's go check out what we've been doing. freewebseries.blogspot.com. Now these are URL. Ordinary is supposed to just be freewebseries.com, but because we haven't bought our domain, so it's like this till we purchase the domain. So see, our blog is just here, empty, not looking fine. See options, not looking nice at all. So it's just there. So we're still working on it, right? We're still working on it. Oh, see what they said now. See what they said to us, to our own face. There's nothing here. Don't worry, we'll put something there. So back here, no post yet. So if you've got a blog post, you can actually I didn't get any blog post yet, so yeah, the template I sent to you guys before the training. So it's now to implement what we've actually, the use of that, the value of the template. So you go here. Once you go here to this option, remember to the side option, right? Then you see these options, you see the stats, you see the comments, you see earnings, page, layout, themes, settings, and reading list. So what we are going to is the themes. So when we get to the themes here, when you get here, you see customize, and then you see this little small arrow here. So you click the little small arrow. So once you click the little small arrow, you see backup, restore, switch to first generation classic templates. Then you click restore, upload. Then you click upload. Now you see that template I sent to you guys, Sora template, Sora viral template, right? So you search for it in your file manager. That's what I told you about file manager. Search for it in your file manager. You already renamed it, right? Then you search for it there, and then you click it, restoring templates. Let's wait for it. Restoring template, restoration has been done, right? So let's check our URL again. Let's check our URL again, refresh it, right? Wow, see the same URL that told us that we don't have anything here. So now it's, look at the structure of the page. Now see what we have here. Now see. So let me tell you about this template. This Sora template is a company. That's what they do. They customize templates for bloggers. They customize templates, free templates for bloggers to design their website and all. There are also platforms. You can get a free template. I'm going to let you guys know in the description section where you can get free templates like this. Also, there are also developers that build sites from the scratch, but you necessarily don't need to build your blog from the scratch. You can just get templates and install and then customize instead of building from scratch. Hiring developers, let them build from scratch. There are different kind of templates. If you want a music blog, if you want education, if you're into fashion, if you're into food, if you're into any sort of thing, any sort of niche that you are into, there is a template for it. Now see, our free web series blog is live. Now our work here is about to start. Now look at this about, see contact us, see this Facebook icon, Twitter icon. Ordinarily, if you click this Twitter icon, it's supposed to take you to your own personal Twitter page, to your Facebook page, to your Instagram page, and the last icon here is for Pinterest. So this contact us is supposed to give you highlights of what you do and all. Then content, you're supposed to drop content. If you're a fashion blogger, if you're a business person, you sell wristwatch, you sell wigs, this is where you post content about it and all. So let's go back to
Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to create this table.
Not done. So here we're going to be doing the main work. Then come here on layout, go to layout. I told you guys about getting your logo. We're going to be working with your logo and all. Now see where we're going to be doing major work today. I feel to turn the phone on this mode so you can be seeing it well. So we start by this logo. We start from this logo. Upload from my computer, upload from your computer, right? So choose file. It takes you to your gallery. It takes you to your gallery. It takes you to your gallery. Then choose this. Choose this. The free class logo. Then let's save. Let's save. Now there's something I missed. Let's go back here to the logo, right? Do you have any blog description? AWOOF for like something like slogan now. AWOOF training. AWOOF training for enthusiasts. For let's make it for enthusiasts. AWOOF training for enthusiasts, right? So save, right? Okay, image placement here. This was what I skipped earlier. They asked image placement behind the title, behind title and description. Do you want the image to be behind the title of the website and the description, or it should be used instead of title and description, or have description placed after the image? Let's go with having the description placed after the image. Shrink to fit. You shrink it to fit, right? We're good with that. Let's see what we have here. Now social top. Now those, when you talk about this social top, listen, this one, remember that time I showed you guys about Twitter, Facebook, that we are the side, at the up side of the site, right? You click it, you click here, you click here to edit. Now see all of them. This is Facebook, this is Twitter, this is Instagram, and this is the Pinterest, right? So whatever you do from the back end here reflects on the front end, right? So this is what we call back end. Don't let people, when you hear developers, they're like, I'm a front end developer, back end developer. So this is basically what they do. If front end, most of front end developers are US UI designers, people that design websites from the front, from the top to the scratch. But back end developers are those that code stuff from the back and then reflect from the front. So this is the back end of the site, and whatever you do at the back end reflects on the front end, right? So this is Facebook. So this is the template, like the template, default template we're using. This is, if you had clicked it, it would have taken us to their this thing. So let's use facebook.com slash I don't know, let's do facebook.com slash, let's just leave Facebook. I don't know the Facebook to post. Then Instagram, you put your Instagram link. Remember I asked you guys for a profile, your Instagram profile link yesterday, right? So Instagram, you put your Instagram link here, site URL, your Instagram URL here, right? www.instagram, to get your Instagram link easily, www.instagram.com slash your username. My username is Ademina Shinamso, right? So we have that done. Then we save. Then Pinterest, that'll be stressful. Then Twitter, the same thing. You add the site URL, the URL to your profile, right? Then you save, right? Then this is header menu. Then when you click the menu of the site, what appears? Okay, this is popular news. How this popular news works, let's click on one. So it's still giving you URL from that site. Let's edit. Well, I've not created any news yet, so this function is quite ineffective. So, but let's say now popular, let's put our free web series blog dot blogspot.com, right? So we have that figured out. So these are the trending. Automatically this code here helps you to get the trending news, like the most popular news on your website will pop up. If you click this place, the most popular news on your website will highlight there. The most what else again is on the list? Trending news will pop up. These things are like codes and all. So what you just do here, you just change it. When you buy domain, you still come back here and change it, right? You still come back here and change it. Free web series dot blogspot.com, right? Oh, it's free web series blog dot blogspot.com, right? I don't know what. Now link lists, and let's see what we have on the link list. Okay, home edit. So when you click the home, what should be showing should be www dot free web series dot blogspot.com. So you click save. Then feature, let's delete this, it's not functional. Let's delete this. Delete, not functional. Sitemaps. So let's edit sitemap. So whenever the sitemap is showing, let it be, let's delete this. It's not functional. Learn blogging, it's not functional. These are what came with the Sorrel template. Not functional. Download these templates. Not functional. Let's save, right? So let's see the pages. On this website. Okay, save. Let's put it on portrait so we can actually see well. Now these are footer. A website is divided into three main categories: the body, the header, the body, and the footer. So we have the footer here. Let me show you where the footer is on the. Let's go to the web, the blog. Okay, I think it should be here. Let's refresh and see what we've been doing so far. Now see it. See the logo has affected, right? Now click, if you click home, before it's supposed to take you to Sora templates website, but let's click home. It takes us to the front of this page, like you get, right? So we don't have any content. We're going to delete this subscribe, or so we're going to delete this video here.
Hi everyone, welcome to
We
with table of contents
Instagram, right? Let's
for your blogger website. So
error 401 404, so that means there was a mistake in the URL. Let's go back for this. There was a mistake in the URL. Portraits is better. Social top list, right? Now let's edit the Instagram. What did we not put here? Instagram.com. Let's save. Let's go and check what we didn't do well there. Refresh Instagram. What didn't we put well there? I think something is missing. Let's see. That's bravo. Took us to my Instagram profile, right? So I muted my Instagram. I froze it so it won't disturb the class. If not, you should be seeing more pop-up messages than this. So you get, we already fixed the Instagram on. Now it took us straight to the Instagram. HTTPS was something that we didn't put there. So now sidebar, let's check the sidebar. We only have the home button here, right? So we're going to remove this Facebook and remove this video. Let's go quickly remove it. What we're doing right now is called customization, right? That's what we're doing. We're customizing this template. So you see the beauty of this site when there's a post. Well, I think I'll teach you guys how to make a blog post, so it will make easier. Now see those sidebar. I think subscribe to us. Let's remove the video. This is the YouTube. This is the code. Dev class, development class, video wrapper. This is how coding works, but we're not going to exhaust time on it. So what we do is to remove these gadgets from the page, right? It's stopping us. Then remove their Facebook integration. We can put our own if you want to put your own instead of Sora templates to be there. Then you put our Facebook number. We do not have a Facebook to put there. I don't want to put mine, so let's remove, right? But if you have, you can just put there, right? So let's use this pattern. Followers. Let's check what's on the followers. Okay, there's nothing there. Now let's go to footer. The socials, those socials on the footer. See what's there. Facebook is there. save. Let's Instagram. Let's go to what on Instagram. Let's go, as we always do. HTTPS, then // this HTTPS stands for, I think, hypertext something. We're gonna Google it right now. www.instagram.com/demena chinomso. Right now we have that. So, but quickly, for knowledge sake, let's Google what's meaning HTTPS. Fun fact: do you know that it is a special skill? It's a special skill to know how to Google search. Or your meaning HTTPS, to ask the right question on Google. Hypertext transfer protocol secure. Yeah, it's like what secures. Okay, is a combination of the hypertext transfer protocol HTTPS with the secure socket layer, SSL transport layer security. Yeah, so basically it's more like an SSL certification. Like, it's what secures your communication, secures your mobility on the digital space, right? So that's it. So let's refresh. We have this right now. We did for that footer, right? Let's check the socials for the footer. Click on it. All right, it took us to my page. So that's how you should do it too. That's how you should do it. Fix your social page there. So we deleted that video, that's Sora, blah blah blah. This one is an advert, so we deleted it. So it's just plain. So this our page is very ready like this. Our site is very ready. What's left here is just content. Let's put one or two contents and see what happens on the page. One or two contents and see what happens on the page. So if you want to put contents, go to that same menu bar. You see posts. Click posts. Go down. This is to write create new posts. Now if you want to create new posts, there are different stuffs here. I'm not going to go deep into SEO now. I'm not going to go into SEO, but sometimes when you want to write article, for those that are going to blogging full time, you do research on that particular post, on that particular content you want to write. Let's put how to host a free webinar in 2022. So this is it, right? This is the heading. Then now let's turn it to this. Now if you want to write your content, compose view. Now let's go. This is how you start. Let's say you start, this is, you're now writing your content, like the body of your content. Dear yeah, practically 10 ways to host a free webinar. I'm just using this as a sample, but this is not just a comprehensive article. 1. Have a good knowledge of what to teach. 2. Have a good communication skill. 3. Be confident. 4. Be ready to answer lots of questions. 5. Know that people are diverse. 6. Which platform would you host the webinar? Let's just make it 6. Let's make it 6, right? So now you click, see this place here is where you click. If you want to bold in any of the text, let's say you want to bold in this as a header, select it. Then those that are conversant with WPS Word, this shouldn't be a problem for you. And all every icon you see here is always on the WPS Word. So if you want to publish, this is view to view how it will look like on the site. This is this, and then this is to publish, confirm. You publish the post, right? Now this is our first content. Now let's go and see how our website now looks, right? Let's go and see how. The beauty of this, oh, we didn't add image, right? We didn't add image. Okay, see. Alright, let's go back and add the image, right? Let's go back and add the image. So let's go, let's go back to the posts. Click on posts. Click on it to edit. So this is where we skipped. See, this is where pen, this is link, then this image part, this is image, upload from computer, choose file from your gallery. So let's use this free class again. Right, save, select, see how it's appearing, right? Then republish. Changes has been effected, and let's go refresh. See, the image has popped up. Now see the image. So this is, now let's check, see, this is web view. Let's see mobile view of how the site is. Now this is how it is on mobile phones. This is it. So the aesthetics of this website will be more glaring when we publish more news, more content on the web page. So when somebody asks you about your business website, after you see a site is looking so unprofessional, so we need to buy a domain on it. Let me show you my company website. Okay, this is my company website. Now I see what buying a domain looks like. thingscanblog.com. Okay, platform where we train young people with tech skills. We have different skills that you can actually, web development, and the prices are there. Blogging, my full course on blogging. This is the price of my full course on blogging and what I teach. We actually gave you guys everything. To build a blog from startup, to finish, strategy, choosing a niche, creating a brand, building a top blog, creating content, promoting and monetization of your blog. So this is how it is. Monetization of your blog is another important part. So this is graphic design, complete front end development. I told you guys about front end, right? Data analysis, forex trade, web development, using WordPress. I told you guys about WordPress as well. Mastering the arts of management. These are courses that are on my company website, but we'll talk about that on a different day. So basically our website is live, right? So this is how to simply create your blog without hiring a developer. Now we already have a perfect web blog. If you're following the class and you're implementing this, you should have a perfect result than this, and then you should have blog contents already, and then your site is live. If you want to purchase domain, I'll teach that in different class entirely. And blog monetization is going to be a different class on its own. So for those who want to make money from their blog, how to integrate Google AdSense, how to integrate AdStar, Propeller, and many other advertising advertising brands that will advertise on your website and then pay you monthly, so you can make for money from it. And then also people want to advertise their products on your site. Let's say you sell bags and people want to advertise something similar, no, not really bag, maybe they want to advertise dress. They could advertise on your site and they charge them, and then that's when you're receiving good number of traffic. So I think this class has come to an end, and I'm sure you got value from this. And I need everyone to start sending their URL, their blog URL, what you have created in the group link, so that I'll get to see what you have created and then see some corrections. And if you have questions, please drop your questions as well, so I'll be attending to every questions at the same time as well. You get? So basically that's all. And then if you're interested in blog monetization, monetizing your blog, and then how to move further with buying domain and all, it's going to come on a different class, though not free but very affordable for every person. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying till this time. I trust you got so much value from this web series, and I just can't wait to connect with you. So if you're a business owner and you need mentorship, coaching, you need guidance, you need a mentor, and also you need an accountability partner, I'm here for you. You can reach me out on WhatsApp with my phone number, mobile number on the description, and also somewhere around the screen. So I have set of people, bloggers, business owners, media strategies that I'm mentoring to growth hacks, self-development, and the likes. So if you want to be one of them, for me to teach you all that I know to grow your business also as well, and also to be there to put you through media and technological difficulties you have facing in your business, kindly reach out to me so we can all grow together. It's a paid services, so by the time you get my DM, you know what it takes, but I'm not gonna cut your neck. Love you guys. Thank you.